Good morning, students. Let's continue the problems of journal entries. Let's go on to illustration 22. Cash paid for installation of machine. So what will be the entry? Whenever we pay cash for any installation of a fixed asset, the entry will be nothing but the fixed asset account. Here it is machinery account to cash account. Next we have goods given as charity. So when we give goods as charity, what is the journal entry? Charity account debited to purchases account. Why purchases? Because we are giving goods as charity. Next we have interest charged on capital at 7% when the total capital was 7 lakh. So our capital was 7 lakh and we have charged 7% interest, that is 7 by 100. So how much will be the interest on capital? It will be 49,000. So what is the journal entry? Interest on capital account debited to capital account. So next we have received 12,000 of a bad debt written off last year. So last year we had a bad debt of 12,000 which in this year we recovered. So what will be the journal entry? Cash account debited to bad debts account. Next we have goods destroyed by fire. So loss by fire to purchases account. Why purchases? Because goods are destroyed by fire. Next we have rent outstanding. Rent outstanding means it is rent account debited to rent outstanding account. Next, interest on drawings. It is drawings account debited to interest on drawings account. Next, Sudhir Kumar, who owed me 30,000, failed to pay the amount. He pays me compensation of 45 paisa in a check. So he had to pay us 30,000, but he paid us only 45,000 as check. That is 45 paisa as check. So 30,000 into 45 paisa is 13,500. So out of 30,000 we got 13,500 as check. So bank account debited. What is the balancing figure? 30,000 minus 13,500 is the bad debts. So bad debts account debited to Sudhir Kumar account. So let us work out the problem. Write down journal entries in the books of. No name of the company has been given, so we will just be putting dots. What is the format? I hope you all remember. It is date, particulars, LF, amount debited and amount credited. Date, particulars, LF, amount debited and amount credited. So what is the first date? They have not given us dates, they have given us serial number. So A, it is cash paid for installation of machinery. So journal entry is machinery account debited to cash account. How much is it? 5,000 debit, 5,000 credit. हमेशा याद रखना जब भी आप कोई मशीनरी खरीद रहे हैं तो उसको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा, तो उसके इंस्टॉलेशन के पैसे देने पड़ते हैं. So if there is installation charges, it will always be debited to whatever has been purchased. So इसमें हमने मशीनरी ली है और इसका installation charges दिया है. So write down the narration. Cash paid for installation of machine. Next we have goods given as charity. So we have given the goods as charity. So what will be the journal entry? हमने क्या दिया है? Charity. So charity account debited. What is going out? Purchases account. Why purchases? Purchases account is a nominal account. So debit all. What is the amount? 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Write down the narration in the next line. Goods given as charity. Next we have interest charged on capital 7 lakh when the capital was. Next we have interest charged on capital at 7% when the capital was 7 lakh. So what is the journal entry for interest on capital? Interest on capital account debited. Why are we debiting interest on capital? Because it is an expense to the business. The partner has invested the capital and he is getting the capital. So business के लिए क्या है? वो एक expense है. What will be credited to capital account? What's the amount? 7 lakh into 7 by 10. 49,000 debit, 49,000 credit. Write down the narration. Interest charged on capital. Next, write down D. Received 12,000 of a bad debt written off last year. तो लास्ट ईयर हमें कोई अमाउंट नहीं मिला था पार्टी से, तो हम सोचे कि वो बैड डेट है और हमें वो कभी नहीं मिलेगा, बट इस साल वो रिकवर हो गया. सो व्हाट इज कमिंग इन? कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैड डेट्स recovered account. 12,000 debit, 12,000 credit. Write down the narration. Amount received of bad debt written off last year. Next, goods destroyed by fire. तो क्या हुआ है हमको? Loss by fire account debited to purchases account. 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Write down the narration. Goods destroyed by fire. Next we have F. Rent outstanding. So how much is the rent outstanding? 20,000. So what will be the journal entry? Rent account debited to outstanding rent account. Please write down the full form. Don't write OS. Write outstanding. It is 20,000 debit. It is 10,000 debit, 10,000 credit. Next we have interest on drawings. So interest on drawings is an income to the firm. So what will be debited? Drawings account debited to interest on drawings. Why is it an income to the firm? Because जब पार्टनर पर्सनल चीज के लिए विड्रॉ करता है तो पार्टनर बिजनेस को पैसे देता है और द प्रोप्राइटर इज गिविंग मनी टू द बिजनेस, सो इट इज इनकम टू द बिजनेस. 9,000 डेबिट, 9,000 क्रेडिट. राइट डाउन द नरेशन. इंटरेस्ट चार्ज्ड ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. Last we have Sudhir Kumar, who owed me 30,000, has failed to pay the amount. He pays me a compensation of 45 paisa in check. So सबसे पहले check है. So what will be debited? Bank account debited. We have bad debts. So bad debts account debited to Sudhir Kumar. So bank account, what will be the amount? He owed us 30,000. So उसके रिकवरी के लिए he only paid us 0.45 पैसे. So it is 13,500. Total he had to pay us 30,000. 30,000 minus 13,500 is 16,500. Write down the narration. Check received and bad debts written off. So what is the total? Debit 1,55,000, credit 1,55,000. Clear? Next, let's go on to illustration 23. Purchased an iron safe for business for 1 lakh and payment made by check. So iron safe business के लिए खरीद रहे हैं. So it is a office equipment. So journal entry will be office equipment account debited to bank account. Why bank? Because payment is made by check. Then we have purchased filing cabinet for office use 40,000 and paid 200 as cartridge on it. Filing cabinet office, again it's a office equipment. To cash account. What will be the amount? 40,000 plus 200, that is 40,200. Next we have purchased computer from Radhakishan and Co for 80,000 on credit. So हमने क्या खरीदा? Computer. Again it's an office equipment. So office equipment account debited to Radhakishan and Co. Why Radhakishan and Co? Because it is a purchase on credit. Next we have purchased electric fan. इलेक्ट्रिक फैन होगा फिक्सचर्स. फिक्सचर्स अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव परचेज्ड अ हॉर्स फॉर बिजनेस फॉर 1,50,000 एंड पेमेंट मेड बाय चेक. सो हॉर्स क्या है? लाइफ स्टॉक. मैंने आपको समझाया था चैप्टर 3 में लाइफ स्टॉक क्या है, व्हेन वी डू ट्रेडिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स. सो इसमें क्या डेबिट होगा? लाइफ स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव परचेज पोस्ट कार्ड फॉर 250, एनवेलप 500 एंड स्टैम्प 1,000. तो अब आप ये सब चीजें पोस्ट कार्ड अकाउंट डेबिटेड, एनवेलप डेबिट, स्टैम्प डेबिट नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये सब क्या है? दिस इज नथिंग बट पोस्टेज. सो इसका एक ही अकाउंट होगा विच इज नोन एज पोस्टेज अकाउंट. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर postcard, envelope, stamp will be postage. अगर आपको पेन, पेंसिल, इरेजर दिया है तो दैट इज स्टेशनरी. तो इस केस में पोस्टेज अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव परचेज ऑफिस स्टेशनरी. सो यहाँ पे ऑफिस स्टेशनरी है, स्टेशनरी अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैश अकाउंट. अब आप ये परचेजेस नाम देख के ये मत सोचो कि आपको परचेजेस अकाउंट डेबिट करना है. आपका जर्नल एंट्री गलत हो जाएगी. दे हैव नॉट टोल्ड परचेज ऑफ गुड्स. We only write purchase account debited when there is a purchase of goods in the business. Next we have gave charity cash 2000, goods 2000. तो charity account debited to cash account to purchases account. क्यों दो अलग अलग? बिकॉज आपने कैश भी चैरिटी में दिया है, गुड्स भी चैरिटी में दिया है. नेक्स्ट, द हॉर्स बॉट ऑन March 6 डाइड, इट्स कार्कस वाज सोल्ड फॉर 10,000. तो जो हमने खरीदा था हॉर्सेस, उसमें से हॉर्स मर गया है एंड हिज कार्कस वाज सोल्ड फॉर 10,000. तो हमने कितने का हॉर्स खरीदा? 1,50,000 का हॉर्स खरीदा. और कितने में उसका कार्कस सेल हुआ? 10,000 में सेल हो गया. सो व्हाट इज 1,40,000 फॉर अस? इट इज अ लॉस टू द बिजनेस. सो इट इज कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू livestock account. Clear? Next, sold household furniture for 1 lakh and paid the money into business. तो जो हमारे घर का फर्नीचर था उसने हमें बेच दिया एंड जो भी पैसा आया वो हमने बिजनेस में डाल दिया. तो अगर 1 लाख रुपए बिजनेस में आए तो कैपिटल क्या हो रहा है? बिजनेस का इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो व्हाट इज कमिंग टू द बिजनेस? कैश इज कमिंग टू द बिजनेस. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू capital account. Paid to landlord by check 1,20,000 for rent. 1/3 of the building is occupied by the proprietor for residential use. तो हमने रेंट दिया कितना? 1,20,000. बस उसमें से जो 1/3 बिल्डिंग है वो पर्सनल यूज के लिए है. सो 1,20,000 में से 40,000 is for personal use. So this will be drawings. Remaining will be rent for the factory, that is rent account debited. Drawings account debited to bank account. Why bank? Because it is a payment by check. Clear? So write down journal entries in the books of, नाम नहीं दिया है तो वापस से आप डॉट 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 डाल देंगे. So again we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So what is the first date? 2nd March. So 2/3/2017. Purchased iron safe for business. So it is office equipment account debited to bank account. कितना debit? 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write down the narration. Iron safe purchased. Next entry we have on 3rd March. Purchase filing cabinet for office. So again office equipment account debited to cash account. Why cash? Because they have not mentioned it is by check. So it is how much? 40,200 debit, 40,200 credit. Write down the narration. Filing cabinet purchased for 40,000 and cartage paid on it 200. Next entry we have on 4th March. Purchased a computer from Radhakishan and Co for 80,000 on credit. So again it is office equipment account debited to Radha Kishan and Co. So what will be debited? 80,000 debit, 80,000 credit. So write down the narration. Computer purchased. Next on 5th March, purchased an electric fan for 200. So it is fixtures account debited to cash account. 20,000 debit, 20,000 credit. Write down the narration. Electric fan purchased. Next on 6th March, purchase a horse for business 1,50,000 and payment made by check. So livestock account debited to bank account. 1,50,000 debit, 1,50,000 credit. Write down the narration. Horse purchased for business. Next we have on 7th March. Purchase postcards, envelope, stamps. So it is postage account debited to cash account. What is the total? 250 plus 500 plus 1000. That is 1,750 debit, 1,750 credit. Write down the narration. Postcards, envelopes and stamps purchased. Next we have on 8th March. Purchased office stationery for 4,000. So it is stationery account debited to cash account. 4,000 debit, 4,000 credit. Write down the narration. Stationery purchased for office use. Next 15th March. Give charity, that is cash and goods. So entry will be charity account debited to cash account to purchases account. So कितना cash दिया? 2,000. Goods is 4,000. Total charity is 6,000. So write down the narration. Cash and goods given as charity. Next 20th March. The horse bought on March 6 died. Its carcass was sold for 10,000. So क्या मिल रहा है बेचने से? Cash. So cash account debited. क्या हुआ हमको? Loss. So profit and loss account will be debited to livestock. कितने का horse था? 1,50,000. So that amount will be credited. कितना पैसा आया उसका carcass बेच के? 10,000. So what is the loss? 1,40,000. Write down the narration. Cash received for sale of carcass of dead horse. Next we have 25th March. Sold household furniture for 1 lakh and paid the money into business. तो आपके घर में एक फर्नीचर पड़ा था, that you have sold it. जो उसका पैसा आया वो अपने बिजनेस में डाल दिया. So what is happening to a capital? It is increasing. So what is the journal entry? Cash account debited to capital account. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. Sale proceeds of house furniture paid into business. Last we have 31st March. Paid to landlord by check 1,20,000 for rent. 1/3 of the building is for residential use. जो residential use का rent है that is our personal expenses, but वो आप business से बेच रहे हो, but that is our drawing. So what will be the entry? आपने क्या दिया है? Rent account. कितना rent है आपके business का? Then we have drawings account. Drawings account में ये आएगा, that is 1/3 is घर का भाड़ा. So 1,20,000 1/3 कितना होगा? So 40,000 is personal expenses. 80,000 is office rent to bank account. Why bank account? Because आपने check में pay किया. That is 1,20,000. Clear? Write down the narration. Rent paid to landlord. 1/3 of the building is occupied by the proprietor for residential use. So what is the total? 7,71,950 debit, 7,71,950 credit. So clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.